that all of you are doing great. Well, let us try to look at the crypto funding stories of 2022. The venture capitalist names and the kind of institutions that have been putting the money and the amount of money that they have been putting within this blockchain, crypto, NFTs, DeFi's, right, and the entire network. That is going to give us the clue, like despite the fact so much of the bad news that has happened within the 2022. I mean, we have seen trillions of dollars being wiped out from the entire financial markets. And within the crypto, the kind of events that have happened, forget about the Luna collapse, forget about the Three Arrows, Celsius, right? You name it. The FTX collapse, when it happened, like literally it has shaken the trust of some of the most loyal people of the crypto as well. Because once your funds are not even safe at the crypto exchange, like where are your funds safe? Like a crypto exchange owner can use your funds to actually go out and leverage trade it. Literally, it has shaken the confidence of the retail and even the big investors. Having said that, the 2022 itself, the first two quarter brought like $14 billion were being raised. VC inflows, as you can see, were about $14 billion each in the first two quarters. The third quarter had $5 billion. It was slowed down, yes, but overall, it is such a big number within an industry, and the kind of institutional adoption that is happening, like literally, it is mind-blowing. Despite so much of the macro downfall and the kind of wealth loss that has happened in the financial market, the kind of adoption that we have seen, the VC's money pouring in, this is showing this is where the people are looking for. This is the early internet. That's what the big names have identified, and they do not want to miss out on this opportunity. So the first institute, let us just talk about. This is Horn Ventures, and they invested approximately $1.5 billion, right? As you can see, that the Coinbase board member Cathie Woon raised $1.5 billion for the two Web3 focused investment funds. The newly launched Horn Ventures established $500 million early stage fund and a $1 billion acceleration fund to invest in every layer of the Web3 tech stack, right? And obviously it is a big amount. This is just one of the names. Then let us just quickly jump on to the next one. The Huobi Global, they launched $1 billion funds, and basically $1 billion investment fund focused onto the decentralized finance and the Web3 projects. Dubbed Ivy Blocks, the new fund was designed to identify and invest in promising blockchain projects across a range of crypto subsectors. Let's come on to the next one. The NBA Top Shot creator with $725 million fund. Now, who is this NBA Top Shot creator? The Dapper Labs, the company behind the CryptoKitties and the NBA Top Shot. They launched $725 million fund to support the development of its Flow blockchain. The fund received backing from a range of investors, including this guy, this big name, Andreessen Horowitz, Spartan Group, Coin Fund, right? And obviously they were even trying to attract the developers from the big names like Ethereum itself. Then comes the next one, the Dragonfly Capital, and basically they closed its third round of funding in April, raising $650 million to surpass its two previous rounds of $100 million and $200 million. The funding was supported by Tiger Global, Sikia China, KKR, and many other names. The Fireblocks, they raised $550 million, and basically the latest round brought Fireblocks cumulative approximately $800 million since 2019. Then comes the Binance Lab. Binance, obviously the biggest exchange out there in the world. We all have heard of it, and even the Binance Lab supporting a lot of projects in order to enable the crypto and obviously support the crypto ecosystem. So they earmarked like $500 million for the Web3 development, and blockchain incubation and late stage growth featured prominently in Binance Lab's $500 million fund launched in June. Then comes the Yuga Labs. Yuga Labs, we all have heard about it, right? the originators of this famous Bored Ape Yacht Club, right? Now they closed $450 million funding round at a valuation of $4 billion, and they were backed by Andreessen Horowitz, Animoca Brands, MoonPay, and obviously the FTX. The FTX did not end up well, by the way. We all know about it. Many of the NFT related firms and companies, obviously, have seen a huge amount of decline during the bear market. But apart from that, obviously, the Yuga Labs have done it pretty well. Like, this is amongst the top shot. Then comes one of my favorite project, the Polygon. Polygon is, or the Matic. I have been consistently being the advocate of investing into this particular project for the kind of potential it has. They had $450 million funding from the Sequoia Capital India, right? And the company said it would use the funds to expand its scaling solution to accommodate eventual mainstream adoption of the Web3 applications. And then obviously a lot of names: Multicoin Capital $430 million, Framework Ventures $400 million, Ava Labs $350 million, Near Protocol $350 million, Binance.us $200 million seed round. What is the exact significance of mentioning all these things? The idea is to show you that the big names, when we are hearing about, not just they are interested in the development, they are even interested into putting out the big capitals into these projects, because they are able to see what they missed earlier. What was the thing that they missed earlier? A lot of big players happened to miss during the early 2000s, the internet, the era of internet. And that's what people are able to see. The Web3, the metaverse, the NFT, the DeFi. This is the next internet, and this is the early stage. We are not saying this gives a green signal to every other crypto project. In fact, more than 90% of the crypto projects might die eventually, because probably they might not be able to provide this, just the money grab coin launch kind of thing. But the ones that are really providing the utility that is going to enable the mass adoption of Web3 within the normal public, literally, they are going to bring the next revolution. And the big names do not want to miss out on this. And definitely you should as well not go out to miss out on this. So thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you would like to win one full Bitcoin, just click the link down below in the video description, sign up to the biggest exchange in the world, that is Binance, and purchase your first crypto. And we are going to put you in the lucky draw. Every time we have this lucky draw that is going to be happening frequently for one Bitcoin, you'll be part of it. And I'll leave the quick video to see how this one Bitcoin giveaway works. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll see all of you guys in the next podcast. Bye-bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way. You sign up, you deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.